By Hugh Jones, London, Reuters. The European Union has barred Britain from joining a European accord for recognising civil court rulings, a move that could bump up costs for individuals and small companies seeking legal redress abroad. Britain's membership of the accord, known as the Lugano Convention, ended in December last year when it fully left the EU, and bloc officials said an application to rejoin had been rejected. The Law Society has said Lugano makes litigation more accessible for an employee with a grievance or a consumer let down by goods, or a parent trying to enforce a maintenance order. The European Commission, on behalf of the EU, told the administrators of the convention, the Swiss Federal Council, last month that the bloc was not in a position to give its consent to UK accession. A Commission spokesperson said on Friday, Biden's executive order cracking down on big tech could pave the way for bipartisanship. Matt Gorman. Ransomware attacks on the rise following cyber hacks on infrastructure. Rep. Ken Buck says Republicans shouldn't take big tech donations or be influenced by massive companies. Matt Schlapp points out big tech's bias, citing that terrorist organizations have Twitter. Trey Gowdy. Big tech issue has managed to unite both political parties. Veteran running for Congress slams Twitter for putting warning on his July 4 post. Julian Assange's family responds to new court ruling. Army vet slams Twitter for flagging July 4 post. Parler interim CEO on Trump suing big tech companies over censorship. What will come from Trump big tech lawsuit? Trump announces big tech censorship lawsuit. Trump files lawsuit against Facebook, Twitter, and Google. Trump announces lawsuit against tech giants. Big tech will censor liberals next if Congress doesn't act. Rep. Buck. Big tech censorship is coming for liberals next. Ken Buck. Trump announces lawsuit against Facebook, Twitter. Lugano determines which countries' civil and commercial courts may hear cross-border disputes between the 27 European Union states, Iceland, Norway and Switzerland. It also ensures enforcement of rulings to avoid the costly exercise of going through courts in each country linked to a dispute. The City of London Corporation stressed last year the importance of rejoining Lugano to maintain the British capital's role in global legal services. It said a big increase in cross-border disputes was expected after the COVID-19 pandemic as people sought to recover their losses. Lugano members participate to some extent in the EU's internal market of free movement of goods, services, capital and people, which Britain no longer does. The Commission said in May, Iceland, Norway and Switzerland backed UK accession, but unanimous agreement is needed to admit a new member. A working group of EU member states on UK issues shared the Commission's stance and no further steps are planned. It said, an alternative convention, the Hague Judgments Convention from 2019, also governs cross-border recognition of civil and commercial judgments, but it has yet to enter into force. Reporting by Hugh Jones, editing by Toby Chopra.